Whoa.
Well, honey, you can't record and move that fast. It's not going to come out.
I'm just gonna
Look at that clear sky over there.
I'm just gonna keep it looking at the sky, because there we go. We caught some lightning.
See? Over there is nothing.
Clear sky over there. There's clear sky.
It's really close. Look at my, if you look at my window, it looks so pretty.
Yep, it does. It would be neat if you could see a lightning bolt come right down in front of the sunset.
That would be cool.
That would be cool.
Yes, it would.
Why are you taking so many pictures?
Me?
He's videotaping.
No. People up there.
Oh, people in heaven are taking pictures because God's a bad bowler.
God's an amazing bowler. Stop making fun of him.
Either that or maybe he's really good and that's why they're taking so many pictures.
Exactly.
Because of his awesomeness.
He's such a good bowler. Everybody wants to look at his.
You guys, if God doesn't hold.
Hey, Evan, it's a
You
way
never know what goes on up in heaven.
It's a way that Mom actually whenever she was a kid, that's what she thought of whenever the thunderstorm came through. That God was bowling.
You need to make sure you delete all your videos off your phone.
Okay.
I already did that to my phone. I only have like a few left on my phone that I'm gonna delete.
That was in front of us.